Kalamazoo's business landscape is changing, and the industries driving the local economy are feeling it from every angle. Technology, workforce shifts, supply chain pressure, and rising risk are no longer abstract trends. They're shaping how businesses operate day to day. Across manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, education, and technology services, organizations are investing more heavily in digital tools to improve efficiency and visibility. Automation, data-driven decision-making, and AI are becoming part of standard operations, not future plans. At the same time, hybrid work models are forcing companies to rethink collaboration, security, and accountability. Supply chain resilience has also moved to the top of the priority list. Recent disruptions exposed how fragile traditional models can be, pushing businesses to strengthen supplier relationships and improve oversight. For manufacturers especially, consistent quality and well-defined processes remain critical to staying competitive. One idea ties all of this together: resilience. As Matthew Keeler, CEO at the KR Group, puts it, resilient operations are built by leaders who integrate risk management into every layer of their business, not just in their IT teams. Cybersecurity exposure, operational disruptions, and misaligned technology are common challenges across industries. Businesses that evolve focus on efficiency, reduced downtime, talent investment, and technology aligned with clear goals. Preparing for what's next means strengthening foundations before disruption hits. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.